Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps to search for jobs or search for employment. Now, we all understand how Google Maps works, right? We use Google Maps to search for locations, right? The same application can be used for searching for jobs. Now, I will share my screen with you and I will show you what are the things that we need to do and how we can use Google Maps for searching for jobs or searching for employment. So, let's get started. So, now you're able to see my screen and I'm on Google. I will type here software companies in, let me take Himayat Nagar. Himayat Nagar is a area in Hyderabad. So how Google Maps will help you is, if you stay in a particular area, type the name of the area and you will see this kind of map. If you are looking for jobs in software companies, write down here software companies in Himayat Nagar. If you are looking job in a BPO or in a manufacturing company or in a construction company, then write down here construction companies office in Himayat Nagar or Hyderabad or Bangalore. Whichever area in a city you stay, write down the name of the area there. I am very sure when you type down a specific area from a city, this kind of Google Maps will also open up. Now what you have to do is click on this Google Map. When you click on this Google Map, you will see something like this. Now this whole area is called as Himayat Nagar in Hyderabad. It is an area in Hyderabad. Now, and on the left hand side, you will also see a lot of companies, software companies which are located in Himayat Nagar. What you need to do is click on the website. Click on the website. You will definitely see a careers page or employment page. Click that employment page or career page and start understanding what job description or job vacancies they have at the moment. Now click on the job description and you can apply as a candidate for these job description, vacancies. Also, I would recommend is click on the contact us page, call them and ask them if they have any job vacancies or not. So as a result of this, what will happen is you will end up finding a job very close to your location. It is definitely benefited, right? Instead of traveling 1 hour, 2 hours just to reach your office, it is always fine. I would say like people find it more comfortable if they get a job in their area or in their nearby location. So you can use Google Maps to find out offices or companies which are having vacancies very similar to your profile. So this is one example. Again, I will also click the second website here and I will check their careers page or employment page. I will also contact them. I will call them in person. If they have an email ID, I will also email them and asking them if they have any open vacancies or not. So this is how you will be able to use Google Maps to search for jobs in your nearby area. So that was easy, right? You got an idea how you can use Google Maps for searching for employment or searching for jobs. One thing, you definitely have to take that extra effort to call the company and ask for any open vacancy or not. So this extra effort definitely you have to do. But Google Maps is also very easy to search for jobs in your nearby area or close to your location. So that's all about this video. If you feel this video should be seen by many of your friends and family members, share this video on your WhatsApp, share this video with your friends and family members. So if you feel something is wrong or something good I have spoken in this video, comment below, like the video, comment below and connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned here. And that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this long. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu, and Namaste.